Hi guys, it's KCFX. Happy new month. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you are listening or watching from. Okay, happy new month. It's the month of June, the 1st of June, which I believe, and I'm marking it as it's going to be great. Okay, May was fantastic. It's one of the best trading months, okay, in my trading career. Okay, May was one of the best. Okay, right, and I'm also anticipating June will be the same. Okay, so guys, I want us to keep cash out with me. Okay, I'm doing this because I want us to be able to trade and see that this business, okay, this trading business is, yes, it's hard. Yes, trading is hard, but there's also a means and a way calculatively you can cash out from it. Okay, as long as I'm there. Okay, I'm going to put us through and also make it easy. Okay, so guys, let's not slack. Okay, let's deposit into our trading accounts. Okay, and let's make money. Okay, in dollars. Okay, not in dollars. So we can do this. Okay guys, just don't waste time. Okay, let's just deposit $100 to $200 in your account and follow my lead. Okay, whatever question you need, I'm always here. Okay guys, I'm always here. Okay, so guys, I don't want us slacking. I want us to follow my lead and let's keep on cashing out day in, day out. Right now guys, last week I dropped a video, 39, I think 30 seconds video, okay, on a free group. Okay, I want us to share this on our social handles, okay, and get an opportunity to be in the VIP group for 2 months. Okay, and this offer is open for the whole of this year. Right, I want us to have access to the VIP where I drop take profit levels, either you're having a TP1, TP2, TP3, depends on how I see the market and how the market shows itself to me. Right guys, I want us to post this on our social handles and just notify me, private chat me and tell me this is what you did, the picture, all these things, and voila, you'll be in a VIP in no time and you start getting informations from me, take profit level, stop loss level, and also full access to KCFX. Okay, so guys, let's not waste time. Let's double our hustle. No time guys, let's cash out. Okay, on a steady. Okay, this business is winning and losing, but guys, with me you would win. Okay, you win as long as you're following what I am doing and you're asking me questions. Okay, greed is another thing. Okay, you need to follow the plan. Okay, there is a set plan that I follow. Okay, as long as you want to trade with me, just ask me questions. Okay, I'll be there to guide you. All right, okay guys, let's head into the chart. Okay, I remember on Friday last week, last week we took pairs on the CHF-JPY and the Euro-USD. So we made profit from these 2 pairs. Okay, these are the pairs, these 2 pairs are which we are working on right now. These are the pairs which are active, which has passed the first phase and the second phase, which is now the entry level where we can take entries either with buying or selling. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to go back to that chart. Okay, and I'm going to show us what happened, because I think on Friday I gave an educational chart for us to just understand how I play down and how I do entries. Okay, just for educational purpose. Okay, because Fridays are always very tricky. Okay, Fridays I don't want us get into entries, and Fridays might be very slow and this can be a trap, and if we're going to be in a trap, it will not be nice, because on a Monday morning a spike can happen and it can wipe your account. So that's why Fridays are really dicey, and also on Monday. So that's why I'm really careful. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go back to that chart where I said, okay, I gave an entry here on the CHF-JPY. Okay, I said here that we're expecting this. Okay, we saw an R4 here. We're expecting the market to give us an R5, okay, for us to push the market to the downside. Okay, and that was for the CHF-JPY. And what happened? Okay, on the CHF-JPY we saw the market give us an R5. Okay, I put it down there. I said, okay, we saw an R5, a rejection, suggests more push downwards. Okay, and you can see the current candle there. You can see it's already giving us a red and pushing down. Okay, so I'll go to the chart and let's see how the market played out that Friday. Okay, so I'm going to go to CHFJPY and I'm going to come to this level. Now if you look at it, you can see price move to the downside briefly before you saw the market soar to the upper side. Okay, from here we saw price come down towards the wick below, which if you calculate it, that's 45 pips. Okay, that's 45 pips. So if we were in that market and we took it, okay, we would have been up 45 pips. Depends on the lot size we are using. Okay, if you are using a higher lot size, that will be a lot of money for you. If you're using a 0.01 lot size, it's still going to be money because it's in dollars, and if you convert that in Nigeria currency, it's something. Okay, so the CHFJPY respected our setup, okay, giving us an R5 and went to the downside. So CHFJPY was a good one for us on Friday, but Fridays is slow, but fortunately it went very fast there. Okay, but either way, it's good to have discipline. Okay, we're not trading Fridays because of traps and slowness and all, but it's fine. Okay, so guys, we made 45 pips on the CHFJPY. Okay, fantastic. So now guys, we're going to go to the next pair, which is the Euro USD. Okay, and the Euro USD, I said we see a valid candlestick formation, a wick above and a bearish body below. We want to see the current candle finish bullish green in the hour, that's 11 a.m. for a start of an upward move. But if we see a scenario which the current candle finish bearish red, it clearly means price wants to continue pushing downwards. And what did we see? We wanted to see a bullish green for us to see price go to the upside. Okay, that's a rejection. And now what did I give? At 11 o'clock I gave Euro USD. Okay, I said R2 rejection suggests a beginning of an upward movement. Okay, you can see what happens. So we're going to go to the chart now, okay, to see what the market did. Now we go to CHFJPY, we go to Euro USD, let's check what Euro USD did. Euro USD, and voila, what happened? What happened to Euro USD? Okay, you saw what happened. Okay, let's go back to the chart. You can see this green bar here, right? You see that green candle there, right? Now what happened? We said we wanted the market to go to the upside, and what happened here? We saw this was where the green candle was here. Okay, we took an upside which was to this level here. Okay, let's take it up to this level, that is 41 pips as well. Okay, so if we enter the trade for the Euro USD on Friday to the upside as our setup suggested, okay, we would have made ourselves 41 pips. Okay, and if you put a lot size there, you're making and cashing out in cash, as in greatly. Okay, so the pairs which I dropped on Friday were top notch. Okay, it was good for us to take an entry. But Fridays, remember, it's always dicey, and we are just being careful because you know trade on Fridays yeah, I need to be very, very careful. So that's it. Okay, the Euro USD and the CHFJPY which I dropped on Friday went fantastically well. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to say something really brief. Okay, now on the CHFJPY, okay, that is this one, the CHFJPY is still very much open, right? Why did I say it's open? Now if you follow my videos and also follow me as I explain, okay, on my strategy, okay, we have, if you look down here, you can see we have an invalid zone. That's the break of structure. And remember, I tell you, anytime you have price, okay, come towards this invalid zone, which is the break of structure which started the whole setup, okay, and breaks it, okay, as long as it touches or breaks it, that's going to be the end of that pair. Okay, and also we also want to see price move from here, okay, to the extreme, to our target, which is the minus 0.272. okay, we want to see price come to this level for us to see Euro USD come to an end. Okay, so now the CHFJPY, we are waiting for that to finish. For Euro USD, we're waiting for that as well to finish. So these two pairs are what we'll be working on come June, which we're already in. Okay, so Euro USD, CHFJPY, they are open for entries. Either we are buying or we are selling. So in this week, because it's a new week, we want to see how price starts in the week, if we'll be seeing a gap or jump or something. Okay, so guys, I'm going to update us more in the week as price come to life. Okay, we want to see how it goes, how our setup works through, right? Okay, I'm going to show you, I'm going to let us know how it goes, and also signals will be coming in up and down, okay, so we can take entries. Okay, so that's for the CHF JPY, very much for us to take entries. So we're keeping those two one side, and we're going to be using that to cash out this first week of June. Okay, so now guys, we have just few pairs which are still very much working to the okay, guys, so what we're going to be doing now is now on the CAD JPY we can see clearly that CAD JPY, we don't see much here, right? Okay, now on the CAD JPY we see price, we see an uptrend market here, right? We have a break of structure at this level, BOS. Okay, we want to see price come towards this downside, okay, to this level. We want to see price come to this level, okay. We want to see price come to this level to give us a change of character, but that has not happened, so we are waiting, okay, to see if price will come towards that level. Okay guys, so at the moment we are waiting. That's for the CAD JPY, the CJ. Okay, so guys, we're going to move into the GBP USD, which at the moment has given us a breaker structure down here. Okay, we have a breaker structure here. Okay, we have a breaker structure here. We have a change of characters above. This is a downward trend. Okay, this is a downward trend where we have lower highs and lower lows. Okay, now we want to see price, since we have a break of structure, the change of character, we need to see price come to the downside. And remember, as I always say, if we see a downward trending market, okay, we are looking to buy, and if we see an upward trending market, we're looking to sell. So in this case, we're seeing a downward trending market, so we're looking to buy, right? So now, to draw a Fibonacci retracement tool, to use it here, because we have a break of structure which is down because of the lower high and lower lows which we're having, we need to draw a Fibonacci retracement tool from the break of structure which is here and move it up to the change of character because we are buying. Okay, you draw your Fibonacci retracement tool from the break of structure which is beneath up to the change of character. Okay, now we click it here, right? Now we want to see price come down towards this level. We want to see price from here, okay, come down into the 0.618 area, and we should expect price push the market to the upside. Okay, this is what we want to see, right? This is what we want to see. We want to see price come down to this level, and at this level, okay, we should be expecting to be buying here, okay, to the upside. Okay, so that's what we want to see on the GBP US. We've been waiting for this pair for a very long time, since this year. We're waiting for GU to open up at least, but it's really slow, but it's worth the wait. Okay, as long at the end we enter and we get something out of it, it's fine, right? So now we have we've seen the arrow, okay, pointing to this 0.5, right, and 0.618 area. Okay, this dotted line and this red dotted line. Want to see price coming to this level before we can start looking for candlestick formation to push the market to the upside. Okay, so guys, that's it for that one. So now we are going to draw our TP levels and how it's going to look like. Okay, it's going to be a long position because we are buying. Okay, so we're going to draw from our entry level from this level. Okay, like this. We put it down to 0.7168 and take it up to this our target zone. Okay, that's 330 pips. Okay, so it's a great one. So what we want now, and we believe, okay, the price will fall, okay, in this new week towards the 0.5 0.618 area, these areas. Okay, we want to see price coming to these areas, these two, okay, for us to start looking for entry to the upside. That's for the GBP USD. Okay, so guys, now we have the cryptocurrency coming alive. Okay, I'm waiting on this pair for a while too, for like a long time too. Okay, we saw price giving us a downward trend, and a downward trend, okay, is the same thing. Okay, a downward trend market, we have a break of structure here. We had to draw our Fibonacci retracement tool from the low of the break of structure down up to the high of the change of character. That's the high here. Okay, now we want to see same scenario we had in the G. You want to see price, okay, we want to see price move towards the 0.5 0.618 area, which is this level here. Okay, I want to see price come here. Okay, and we start looking for entries to the upside. Okay, so guys, that's it. We are waiting. Okay, trading is all about waiting, right? We wait, and when we see loopholes, we take it. Okay, so that's that for Solana USD. Okay, we can look at the ETH USD. I don't know if we have any good one for the ETH USD. It's still very far. Okay, it's the same scenario with the Solana USD, but it's still very much far. We still want to see price coming to this area here, and okay, we shoot it up to the upside. Okay, this is what we want to see. Same scenario. Okay, with the Solana USD. So we are waiting. Okay, we are waiting, but at the moment, at least we have a CHF JPY. We have CHF JPY very much available for us to keep on taking entries either to the upside or to the downside, and also we have the EUR/USD still very much available for us to take to the upside or to the downside. So we're still very much in the trade. Okay, so guys, trading again is hard. Okay, that I want us to always know that it's difficult, it's not easy. It's all about patience and being able to hold our ground, not stressing anything, not all the time on the chart. It's not really advisable to be on the chart all the time. Okay, you find a setup. If it's not set, you let it keep going. Okay, and check every 4 hours or maybe 2 hours. It's very fine that way. Okay, so guys, don't forget, okay, try to support KCFX. Please share the video to your social handles, and I'll put on the VIP so that I can get take profit levels, sell SL levels, and also I would monitor you and see how you take your trades, and you know, things like that. Okay, so guys, support KCFX, share the word across. Okay guys, and what else? That's it guys. We have 2 pairs which are ready, we're using that to make money. We have GU GBP USD, which is close to making us start taking entries. We also have the Solana USD, which is the SOL USD, the SU. That's a cryptocurrency, which is also going towards activating the second phase, which should push us to start taking entries. So we're very much very ready for June. Okay, June is going to be very exceptional. It's going to be great because I see accuracy. Okay, I see trades now is now being stable. Okay, trades now is being stable. Okay, because why I'm saying that is because May was really good. Okay, setups were being respected like accurately, very good. I'm not saying June will also respect, but I have a good feeling about that, believing that June would open up to be a very great one. Okay, so guys, let's cross our fingers, and we're gonna keep cashing out clear. Okay, so guys, I think I'm gonna be alright guys, I think that's that for KCFX. See you guys around. Let's have a wonderful week, and also don't forget guys, try to take advantage, okay, of signals which I drop. Okay, let's cash out. Let's let's make more funds. Okay, let's make things great. Okay, let's not delay or say when we are ready, and do stuff. Just try, guys. Deposit in your account and take advantage and trade and make money for yourselves, guys. Let's cash out. Okay, right? My joy is to make sure everyone is cashing out from this forex space. Okay, that's my joy. That's what I would want for all of us. Okay, I want us to keep on cashing out and making cool cash from this forex world. Okay, so guys, no dulling. Okay, June, we are making sure that we are going to take it to the next level. All right, May was just a starter. Okay, June is going to be fantastic. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend and more peeps for us. KCFX